Hi guys, I'm Maya Paya, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the new Hemperco Monster Space Edition box. So dive right on with me and let's get started. First off, we have these unbleached Hemper cones. We have a Crimsonite multi-purpose cleaner, because you can never have a dirty rig. A 2-pack of hemp wraps, Kong wraps, CBD, and they're in the flavor Grape Ape. We have a Hemper luxury rolling paper notes. Hemper Tech hemp wick, so no more butane. Hemper premium filter tips, so no more Scooby snacks in your mouth. Have a premium clipper reusable lighter with a little heart on it. An exclusive Hemper sticker. We have a plug and cap pro cleaning system. For all different sizes. To help clean your rigs. Plug one end, plug the top, shake, 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 clean. Also have a 14mm quartz banger. Last but not least, we have our rig. They have blue and they have green, so I'm not sure which one I received. This is beautiful. How do you even see it is? And last but not least, we have our exclusive Hemperco Space Monster rig. Thank you so much, Hemperco, for the opportunity to do an unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed these wonderful items that you could also pick up and get their box as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if you want me to do more unboxings and show you guys more treasures. Thank you, have a wonderful day, stay blessed.